day at school, the teacher divided the class into 3 groups and told them she will be organizing a treasure hunt on Wednesday for the class. Whichever group gets to the final chit will get a free pass to the locally held Children's Film Festival. Now, that was a great opportunity, and none of the kids wanted to lose this chance. So the names of all the 3 groups and their leaders were announced. Team 1 was named the Sapphires. Team 2 was named the Pearls. Team 3 was named the Diamonds. The Sapphire team had 7 members, and they instantly got along well with each other and started working together as a team. The Pearl team had Jimmy, who was not a very cooperative boy and wanted everyone to only listen to him. The Diamond team had 7 students, and all of them were not in good terms with each other. Even on a normal day in school, they would quarrel, not take turns, and constantly keep complaining to the teacher. The teacher advised them to work as a group, to cooperate with each other and be united. Dawned Wednesday. The students were excited and all 3 teams assembled in the meeting hall. The teacher gave them instructions for the treasure hunt. She announced the first clue and told them to go near the goal post in the football ground. All 3 teams rushed to the spot and started searching for the clue. Team Sapphire had clearly allotted the roles to their team. Team Pearl started to push each other to remove the clue, and Team Diamond kept arguing amongst themselves. Team Sapphire had already got the clue for the second hint and proceeded towards it. Team Pearl and Team Diamond could not even complete half the treasure hunt, while Team Sapphire completed it very smoothly and successfully. They could make it because they were united and cooperative as a team.